What's up everyone, today we're talking about some insane new inventions that are going to change the world. The future is coming faster than we think, and scientists are constantly cooking up wild new ideas in their labs. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mind-blowing inventions that have the power to reshape the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. From cutting-edge technologies to revolutionary ideas, get ready to be amazed as we explore a lineup of inventions that are poised to change the course of history. The Solar Butterfly is a solar-powered caravan trailer with the shape of a butterfly. This trailer is truly on a whirlwind tour, surpassing some celebrities in the last year. It covered around 30,000 kilometers across 27 countries. It's named the Solar Butterfly, and it embodies its purpose. Unfolding its wings, it transitions from a caterpillar-like, from showcasing the ease of moving from fossil fuels to renewable energy. Remarkably, that's enough for the trailer to travel up to 300 kilometers per day. Inside, it boasts a fully fledged mini-house setup with a kitchen, toilet, shower, and 6 beds. The Solar Butterfly is driving around the world to show that solutions against global warming exist, and transformation from fossil fuels to clean renewable energies and other technologies is easy. Like the earthbound caterpillar transforms into a free-flying and independent butterfly. The project aims to visit over 1,000 climate pioneers and climate-friendly projects on 6 continents without any CO2 emissions. Universal Hydrogen is a company co-founded by Paul Aramenko and John Gordon, working towards hydrogen-powered flight. Their mission is to put aviation on a trajectory to meet Paris Agreement emissions targets by making hydrogen-powered commercial flight a near-term reality. Hydrogen is the only near-term, scalable, true zero-carbon fuel for aviation. Superscript 1. Universal Hydrogen is building a fuel distribution network that connects hydrogen production directly to the airplane using modular capsules that are transported using the existing freight network, avoiding the need for costly new pipelines, storage facilities, and fuel trucks. The company takes a flexible, scalable, and capital-light approach to hydrogen logistics by transporting it in modular capsules over the existing freight network from green production sites to airports around the world. To accelerate market adoption, Universal Hydrogen is also developing a conversion kit to retrofit existing regional airplanes with a hydrogen electric powertrain. Superscript 1. The kits consist of hydrogen storage tank modules made by the company, combined with an electric motor made by MagniX and fuel cells made by Plug Power. A maiden flight of a partially hydrogen-powered Dash 8 aircraft with MagniX's Magni 650 as EPU took place on March 2, 2023. The flight demonstration represented the largest aircraft ever to cruise mainly on hydrogen power. Universal Hydrogen is making hydrogen-powered commercial flight a near-term reality. Volkswagen has announced that it will begin testing self-driving electric vehicles in Austin, Texas. The company plans to deploy about 10 of its ID. Buzz electric vans, which are equipped with autonomous driving systems developed in collaboration with Mobileye. The first 2 of these vans are already in the US. These self-driving ID. Buzz vans are equipped with LiDAR, radar, and camera systems and will operate only in specific areas of the city that have been carefully mapped. For safety reasons, all of these self-driving vehicles will have human safety drivers on board while testing. Volkswagen chose Austin for its first U.S. hub because the city has a track record for embracing innovation and offers a conducive climate for the testing of autonomous vehicles. The company expects to expand its Austin fleet and add testing operations in at least 4 more U.S. cities over the next 3 years. This move is part of Volkswagen's revamped self-driving strategy, which includes a deeper partnership with Mobileye and new investments in Moye, its Europe-based ride-sharing service. While the company is working toward a robotaxi service in Europe, it isn't planning a ride-sharing service of its own in the US. Instead, it plans to offer autonomous ID. Buzz vans and fleet management capabilities to other businesses offering ride-sharing or delivery services. Cody is a creative workspace and community hub located in East London, UK. It's known for its focus on art, culture, and sustainability. The Rolling Bridge is an innovative pedestrian bridge located in the same area, designed by Heatherwick Studio. It spans the entrance to the Old Cody Dock on the Regent's Canal in eastern London between Canary Wharf and Olympic Park. It is a rolling bascule bridge, meaning it rolls back on a track to let boats through. When closed, it forms a pedestrian and cyclist bridge. The bridge has 2 asymmetric leaf detach that part and roll back into two concrete housings on either side of the canal, supported and moved by hydraulic rams and wheels. Designed by Heatherwick Studio and opened in 2008, it has an innovative asymmetrical design with smooth steel curves. The bridge spans about 30 meters across the canal entrance, and each leaf is 12 meters long. Rolling open about 1,000 times a year to accommodate canal boats, it takes just 5 minutes to fully open or close. The rolling bridge was created to provide pedestrian access while preserving the dock's industrial heritage. It is a unique and visually striking piece of architecture that has gained attention for its design. Both Cody Dock and the rolling bridge contribute to the vibrant arts culture in East London. Researchers at MIT have developed an augmented reality system called XAR that gives humans X-ray vision. This new AR headset enables users to see things that are hidden, such as items inside closed boxes, under piles, or behind occlusions. The headset uses holograms to guide users toward desired items and verify when they have picked them up. XAR uses wireless signals and computer vision to enable users to perceive things that are invisible to the human eye, i.e., to deliver non-line-of-sight perception. It combines new antenna designs, wireless signal processing algorithms, and AI-based fusion of different sensors. Augmented reality (AR) overlays digital information on the real world, typically using a headset or smartphone camera. It does not usually give X-ray vision to see through objects. However, researchers are exploring uses of AR for seeing hidden things, like looking inside the human body or behind walls. This is an active area of research. Actual X-rays or similar imaging technology would likely be needed to truly see through solid objects. AR on its own cannot do this with current technology. There are challenges around developing AR X-ray vision, including visualizing and interacting with 3D scans, imaging dangers, and privacy concerns. While intriguing, I would need more details on the specific MIT project to evaluate if it truly provides X-ray vision capabilities. The idea is interesting but requires caution around use and claims. In summary, while augmented reality is advancing rapidly, true X-ray vision for seeing through objects remains mostly speculative and challenging to implement responsibly. As with any new technology, the applications and implications need careful thought. Carbon Engineering is a Canadian-based climate solutions company founded in 2009. Their goal is to develop technologies that can capture CO2 directly from the atmosphere. The company has developed a direct air capture (DAC) technology that captures carbon dioxide (CO2) directly out of the atmosphere at scale. This technology can help organizations and governments achieve critical net zero targets by delivering solutions for permanent carbon removal and low carbon intensity products such as transportation fuels. Their main technology is a direct air capture (DAC) system that uses large fans to draw ambient air into contact with a liquid hydroxide solution. This chemical reaction binds the CO2, which can then be extracted. The captured CO2 can be permanently sequestered underground or converted into synthetic hydrocarbon fuels or materials. This creates a carbon neutral or even carbon negative process. In 2015, Carbon Engineering built a pilot plant in Squamish, British Columbia to demonstrate their DAC technology at a capacity of 1 ton of CO2 per day. In 2021, they entered a partnership with Occidental Petroleum to build a large-scale DAC facility in the Permian Basin, Texas. This plant will have a capacity of 1,000 tons of CO2 removed daily. The company's direct air capture technology captures CO2 from the air at megaton scale. Unlike capturing emissions from industrial flue stacks, this technology captures CO2, the primary greenhouse gas responsible for climate change, directly out of the air around us. This can help counteract today's unavoidable CO2 emissions and address the large quantities of CO2 emitted in the past that remains trapped in our atmosphere. Carbon Engineering is focused on the global deployment of megaton-scale direct air capture technology so it can have the greatest impact on the huge climate challenge. The company's team and partners around the world are working to deploy direct air capture facilities that can capture 1 million tons of CO2 per year each, which is equivalent to the carbon removal work of approximately 40 million trees.